when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Thinking out loud.
Another heat wave.
It's so hot. It's supposed to be even hotter tomorrow.
Wouldn't it be nice if we had some ice cream? Yeah, that's what we need, ice cream.
Sounds great. We should totally build an awesome ice cream machine, guys.
Yeah!
We need the stuff that's on those shelves if we want to make ice cream ourselves. Frozen treats will be a breeze. Just mix creamy cream with Crazy Freeze. Pour it in and mix it up, then watch the cool yum fill your cup. And now, we leave it to freeze overnight.
Sweet, we can eat it tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys.
I wonder how our delicious ice cream is coming along. I wish I could try it, but I should wait till tomorrow. What if someone else eats it? I should probably check. Oh, well, it looks like everything's all right in ice cream land. Well, while I'm here, I could have one teensy bite. One teensy weensy itty bitty tiny little bite. I might have eaten a little too much ice cream last night. Oh, I feel like I might be losing my voice.
Hi, Bucky!
Hide the evidence!
You're here awfully early. Good morning, boys. How about we all have ice cream for breakfast? Sounds great. Bucky, open it. Bucky? Are you trying to say something? Oh, I know. It's that game where you act out stuff without talking and people guess. Oh, charades is so fun. Right. Now you're showing us. You're an electric eel. You're a balloon. You're a giraffe.
Hamburger!
No? A puddle? A fish juggler? Brussels sprouts? You're trying to show us you lost your voice because you slept with the window open. Yay, I guessed it! I really thought it was Brussels sprouts. Hey, what happened to our ice cream? What do you mean what happened to our... Now you're definitely a fish juggler. So it was stolen. It grew legs and walked away. Your fingers took it? I don't understand. Try it once more. It flew away? The burning sunshine melted it? I'm really good at charades! That's too bad. We don't have ice cream. Bucky doesn't have a voice. What a day.
This could be my bestest invention ever! The Yak-O-Matic Blavatron! It says my thoughts so I don't have to talk!
That's incredible, Bucky!
Now I can talk and do other mouth stuff at the same time! Like eating! I can run and talk at the same time! Oh wait, I could do that before. But I can sing and play my horn! Who wants to shoot some hoops? You might have noticed that I asked for that without opening my mouth! Like I can say, catch the ball, Bjorn, without moving a single lip muscle! Nice shot, Bjorn! Okay, settle down. It wasn't that great. Sorry, I didn't actually mean for you to hear that thought. Go, Chicky! Nice balance, Birdie! You're gonna get dizzy, Franny! Now Bjorn's doing it! Go, Bjorn! Whoopsie!
So hot. Maybe we should have another try at making ice cream. We just have to keep it from melting. It's really strange that it melted inside the fridge like this.
Inside the fridge? More like inside my belly, huh?
What?
Oops, did I just think that out loud? And that too? Come on, brain, be quiet!
Bucky, did you actually eat all our ice cream?
What do I do? Do I lie and say it wasn't me? Stop yakking and blabbing on my thoughts! It wasn't me.
So you're just gonna lie to us?
Sorry, guys. I was just gonna try a little.
Well, Bucky, at least your voice seems to have come back.
Hey, guys, let me make you some more ice cream, all right? Whatever kind you want, I'll make it.
I want strawberry.
And I'll take vanilla.
And I'll have birdseed worm ripple. Why are you guys staring? Was it something I said?
A turnip tail. Why do watermelons have to have all those pesky seeds in them? Who needs the things? Don't you think it would be totally extra groovy if they were seedless?
Bucky, nature gave them seeds for a reason. If not for the seeds, we couldn't plant more watermelons.
Who decided that? I don't accept it. Whoa! Idea! I'm going to take a watermelon and something else and combine them. I'll make raspberries that grow right inside the jar. Just shake for instant jam. I'll make apple trees that grow apple pie. And seedless watermelons that float like balloons. Why hasn't anybody thought of this
Because it's impossible.
before? Oh, not for a genius. Meet my revolutionary new invention. The Combinotron-O-Matic Ignitorizer!
Should we cheer? I'm gonna cheer. Yay!
So it's straightforward. Watermelon here, and in here goes something else. Something seedless. Right. Franny, do you have anything without seeds?
I've got this turnip.
Yuck. Are you sure this is the only non-seed thing you have? All right, it's fine, I guess. Right. The turnip goes in, then press the button. Prepare to be wowed. Almost. A seed is born. Plant it, water it, and watch.
Bucky, it takes a long time to grow plants.
That's all right. I'm super patient. I'll sit down right here and just wait. I'm not moving until I see a watermelon. Well, that's enough waiting. It'll grow without me watching. Let's kick the ball around, guys.
Yay, good idea.
And this time, you can be on Bucky's team, Franny.
Aw, Bucky! Pass it. Come on, I'm wide open. Well, looks like I got a penalty kick. What are you staring at? You'd better protect the goal, or to Bjorn and Franny. Yeah! Ah! What is that?
Bucky, I thought you were trying to grow a seedless watermelon.
Well, to tell the truth, I thought a giant turnip would be awesome.
Look at that. I can make a pie. A gargantuan pie.
I feel like a proud papa. And mama.
Franny, wait. I've got this. A turnip this huge calls for some pretty high-level farming. And I happen to be a 5th-level manure belt in farm food. I'm a dirt whisperer. Done! Okay, we should be able to pull it right out now. Oh, great.
Could we get it out with a vegetable magnet?
That's not a thing. Get real. Watch and learn, guys. To pull Turnipzilla from its deep dirt pocket, you need to use a super special turnip-tugging rocket. Reliance on science can conquer veggie giants. Now, for the scientific approach. Forget your farm food, Bjorn. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ah!
Goodbye, science.
Goodbye, my friend. Your digging's the reason my turnip's in such a deep hole.
And who was it that planted the dumb thing to begin with?
But I planted the dumb thing for us.
1, 2, 3. Bjorn, help me for just a minute. Turnip, come out.
Come on, then.
Heave. Pull.
Heave. Just a bit more. Chicky, come pull with us. Keep pulling. We need to work together. Excellent.
All right.
Wowzy, wow.
That is the biggest turnip I've ever seen.
Look at that. You can make your pie now.
Knock yourselves out, guys. Turnipzilla pie a la Chef Franny the Fox.
Turnipzilla pie again? There's There's no way I can eat this.
There are panda bears starving in China, mister.
You know it's delicious, Bucky. Come on. It's so yummy.
All we've eaten for a month is turnipzilla pie.
Whoa, Bucky, take a look at that.
Huh? What are those?
My floating watermelons are finally ripe. Not real clear on how we're gonna get them down from there, though. The NEATINATOR. The genius at his labors, impressing all his neighbors.
Bucky, come on. Let's go play ball.
Give me a minute. All done.
With what?
Only the coolest thing in the history of cool. Watch closely. Keep watching. Watch.
What on earth?
Wait for it. Now, watch this. The robot home cleaner. The NEATINATOR. I got so tired of cleaning. Then I thought, robot made. I outfitted my house with a state-of-the-smart mechanical anti-mess system.
Bucky, wow. That's just incredible. Ooh.
The round, bouncy dirt has been eliminated. Come on, give it a try. Really messed stuff up. I just cleaned that. Then, when I'm finished making the mess, one push of a button and it's done.
Wow, it's so awesome.
Now I can spend all my time goofing off. Let's play some ball. Think fast. Oops, not a problem. Let the NEATINATOR do its job. The mess is only a symptom. I have identified the disease. Hang on. Did the NEATINATOR just call us a disease? The source of all messes. What's going on? Hey, stop it! Wait! Put us down this instant! I'm the one who made you! Must eliminate source of recurring messes. I don't think the NEATITRON likes us very much. NEATINATOR! Right, sorry. Ow! I mean, honestly, like I don't have anything better to do than pick up after a couple of furry slobs. Source of mess eliminated, mess eliminated. Much better. The genius will not be kicked out of his own home! Source of mess trying to return. And stay out. Well, great. My house just threw me out of my house.
How does one handle that?
I guess I'll have to stay with you. It'll be fun.
Oh my goodness! Franny, stop! She's headed to your house. Franny, hey, stop!
Franny, wait! You can't go in there! She can't hear us! Franny! Vacate premises. I command you to comply. Oh, fine.
Oh no! Your house has taken Franny prisoner, Buck!
All right, we have to plan a rescue.
How will we get inside there? It's full of unfriendly robots.
Robots everywhere. I'm getting an idea. We'll go undercover. Beep, beep, boop. Come on, Bjorn. You have to act like a real robot.
Beep, beep, boop. Ow! I can barely move in this thing.
Hospitality subroutine activated. Drink, eat, be our guest.
Thanks very much. It's very clean in here. But where is Bucky?
The source of all messes has been eliminated.
Eliminated?
Spill detected. New mess threat identified. Slob, slob, slob.
Sorry, it was an accident. I'll clean it up.
I can't see a dingle-dee-darned thing.
All that matters is that we look like real robots. Commence cleaning. Doorbell detected. Visitors unknown. Beep, beep, boop. Beep, boop. New models reporting for duty. Beep, boop.
Yes, that's right. Boop! We're totally robots. Click. Ugh.
Highly improbable. Ow!
Whoops. We're here to rescue you. Yow!
These new models are highly inferior.
Bjorn, hey!
What did you say, mess maker? Keep your voice down, Franny. See that remote control over there? You need to press the off button on it, all right?
That remote up there?
Suspicion protocols activated.
Beep, boop.
Source of mess has returned.
Oh no!
Franny, come on! Press the button now! Negative. Defensive countermeasures activated. Tidiness must win. Franny, hey! Heads up! Stop! Bjorn, throw it! Desist! Malfunction! Slow motion! Give that back, Mr. Messy Pants! No! System rebooted. Awesome shot, Bjorn! Looks like the NEATINATOR has been eliminated. what am I gonna do with this stuff? Could make a sculpture. I should just get rid of it. It's such a big cleanup job, though. I could really use some help with it. Know what? I'll build a robot to help me clean all this stuff up.
Bucky, not again.
You're right. Guess I'll just build a sweet sculpture. Can I give you a hand with that? Get